Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I curl my hair at home. And let me tell you, you do not need any kind of heat to curl your hair at home, and I'm going to show you how. So if you're interested, then let's get started. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. And with that, let's get started. And this is my natural hair looks like. I know it has a little bit of different texture. I have straightened my hair previously and now my original hair is coming back, so yeah, it has a different texture, but ignore that for some time. Firstly, you need to brush your hair very nicely and make sure that there is no tangles at all, as that will really interrupt with the curls. Next step is to take a flat comb like this and make a proper middle partition. So you can see I am making a proper middle partition, but if you want you can do a side partition as well. But I feel that if you do a middle partition, it is much more easier to curl your hair. Next, you need a little bit of hair serum, and for that I'm using the Strix hair serum. So make sure that you are using just a tiny little bit and not much. You do not want your hair to look greasy, just shiny. So yeah, I love this serum. It gives such a beautiful shine to the hair. I also love a lot of other serums as well, so I would link those serums in the description box below. You can choose for yourself. So I am making sure that I'm concentrating the serum only at the ends, as my ends are a little drier than my root tops. Sometimes I like to go in with the Pantene Open Hair Miracle when my hair feels little more drier, but today I will be skipping it. For the next step, I would be using the Miniso mist. So this is a magical product and I have talked about this product multiple times on my channel, so you can go and check those videos out. So this is a mist that can be used on your hair, on your body, as well on your face. So you can dampen your hair using normal water, but I like to use this as this gives a little bit of moisturization to the hair, as well as it does the job of dampening the hair, and it smells beautiful. So you are going to smell like goddess after you apply this. Finally, the fun part, after we have done prepping our hair, we can move on with curling it, and for that I would be using a simple scarf. Not any heat tools, nothing, just a scarf. So the very first step is to divide the scarf into half and twist the middle portion of it, and then you can place the middle portion on top of your head and keep it in place using a clutcher. Then just start twisting one part of the scarf and then start braiding the hair. So we are basically going to make a rope braid. In rope braid, we take two strands of hair and twist both of them together, but here we would be twisting one strand of hair and one strand of scarf. Once I twisted, I would be adding a little bit of hair to the hair stand and then twist it along with the scarf. So if I'm not making any sense to you, just watch the video carefully and you will get it. Once you reach the bottom strand of your hair, you would be left with two strands, that is one hair and one strand. So you just then twist both of them together tightly, and then at the very end just grab a hair tie and tie the hair with the stand so that it keeps in place. then I would just repeat the same steps on the other side. So I would be fast forwarding this clip. You can see the previous clip for your reference. After you're done braiding both the sides, just take the end of the scarf to the back and make a twist and make a bow in the front. So this itself make a very cute hairstyle, and I just do this a lot of times on my stories and I get questions like, how did I make this hairstyles? It looks so cute. But basically I do this just to curl my hair and it makes a cute hairstyle too. You can wear this hairstyle outside too if you replace the scarf with a pretty one. And this is how my hair look like from the back. Then I like to spray the same mist on top of the hairstyle. This ensures that the curls are locked and stay for the entire day. And you are done with the entire process. Now you can keep this for as long as you want, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, as long as you want. The more you keep it, the tighter the curls will be, and let me tell you, this will stay for the entire day, so you do not have to worry. So at this point I leave it like that, but if you want your curls to stay even after 1 day, then you can apply any kind of hairspray you have. But I personally do not like to apply hairspray just because it makes my hair a little sticky and I do not like the look of it. But if you want, you can apply, not an issue. So you just keep it for 4 to 5 hours. Personally I keep it for 3 to 4 hours and then I move on with removing the scarf. Okay, so I have some tips to share. If you braid with little strands, you are going to get more tighter curls. If you braid with more voluminous strands, then you are going to get looser curls. So this is how it works. And if you have shorter hairs, you can also do this technique, not an issue. And I personally have longer hair, so it's much more easier for me to do. And for the sake of the video, I did it very slowly, but usually for me it takes 2 to 3 minutes to do my entire head. Also, when you're applying the hair mist, just dampen your hair and don't wet your hair. Your hair should be damp and not wet. Keep in mind that don't apply a lot of serum, it will make your hair look sticky. If you do not want your hair to be in a middle partition, you can do a side partition and then curl your hair. I sometimes do that, so it also looks very good. The best part is you can do this technique every single day and your hair is not going to get ruined or damaged just because we are not applying any kind of heat to curl our hair. Personally, I have seen that this technique gives me even more better curls than a hair curler does. So trust me guys, this technique works and you are going to get amazing results from this. So yeah, I will just keep it for 4 to 5 hours and then I will be back. And I would just open up the curls after 2 hours. So I didn't get any time to keep it more than 2 hours just because I had some shoot planned. So yeah, you can see how my hair looks after I just opened the braids. After you're done opening the braids, you get this result and you can take a comb and just comb on the front section. It will give a more polished look. And here's the final look, you guys. I love to do my curls like this and this technique is by far the best. I have used a lot of other techniques to curl my hair without heat, but none of them last this long. I can assure you that this curl will last you for an entire day, and you can see how my hair looks. I have a little bit of highlights on my hair so it looks even more gorgeous in natural light. But if you have jet black hair, then also your hair is going to look beautiful. So yeah, this technique works beautifully on all hair type as well as hair length. If you have shorter hair, you can also try this technique.
Hope you find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
So yeah, that was the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So many of you wanted me to do this video, and I got so many DMs to do how I do my curls at home, and here I am. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was easy for you to learn. So if you guys end up doing your curls the way I showed you, so that I can stalk you and I can repost all of your looks. So with that, we have come to the end of this video, and if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram as I'm totally active there, and till then, stay safe, stay positive, stay happy. I will see you guys tomorrow.